always, welcome back to our channel. This is Timik TV and I'm your host, Ms. Rachel and Mama Timmy Elijah. It's good to have you again. Timik TV is all about skincare product review, product formulation, care matter, hair care, and many more. Guys, this is subscriber. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for your love. I really do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button to be part of this family. Hit the notification button whenever you get update each time I upload a new video. Alright, today's video I'll be doing a review on the product called Light Up. Yes, a honest and detailed review on the Light Up range. So if you want to know more about Light Up product, then this video is for you. Please watch till the end. Remember, you can shop your favorite skincare product from us. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Timik Skin Glow. The details are displayed on your screen. You can chat us up on WhatsApp. But remember, we sell our organic product. We sell organic skincare product. We don't sell this product I review on this channel. Like this Light Up, for example, we don't sell it. Natural Secret, we don't sell it. All BB Clear, we don't sell it. All those products I review on this channel are not available at Timik Skin Glow. Most of you come to me to ask this on Instagram and WhatsApp. Please take note. We sell Timik skincare product formulated from scratch. And we ship international. Please take note. We ship worldwide. So if you're interested in our product, kindly send us a message on WhatsApp via the number displayed on your screen. All international delivery takes 3 to 5 days. So please chat us up today. Let's talk about your skin. Let's help you glow effortlessly in the natural way. Okay? So watch this video to the end. If you have a question, let me know in the comment section. Happy viewing.
Okay, Light Up product comes in 3 colors. You have the blue, you have the pink color, and the orange as well. Now, the major difference between the orange and the pink is that the pink contains alpha-arbutin, which is the whitening active, while the orange color contains vitamin C, beta-carotene, and collagen. You know, collagen is very good for anti-aging. So now you see the difference. What the orange color contains and what the pink contains alpha-arbutin for lightening effect, while the orange color contains beta-carotene and collagen. Now, this orange color and the pink, even though the pink contains alpha-arbutin, it's not going to give you whitening effect if that's what you want. If that's what you're looking for, you're not going to go white by using Light Up product. Okay, unless you do something which I'm going to tell you in the course of this video. Now, this Light Up product has a tube, it has soap, it has the serum is 30 ml, it has a lotion, it has a cup cream as well. The lotion is 400 ml. It has face cream also. Okay, now to get the best out of this product, you have to mix other active in it, especially serum, whitening serum. I did a video on good serum you can use to pro-mix for skin whitening. I'll drop the link in the description box for you. Using this product alone is not going to make you white if that's what you want. But if you want to maintain your complexion, your skin too, then you can use Light Up without mixing it. If you have caramel skin tone, you can use Light Up as well. If you are fair, you just want to maintain, then use Light Up. Do not mix it. But if you want to go shades lighter, then you have to mix it with serum that are very good. Light Up serum is never strong enough to give you that effect. Light Up serum will not do that unless you mix any of those serum I did in my video where I told you can use for pro mixing. Of course, I'll drop the link with you in the description box. This orange color contains vitamin C, beta-carotene, collagen, aloe vera, and it contains alpha hydroxyl acid. Okay, so all you have to do is apply this product on where you have dark spot. It's very good for dark spot correction. Okay, apply it on those areas. It lightens different kind of marks and prevent marks from coming back. You get visible fairness. That's what it said, but it's not going to make you white. Okay, if you want to mix your Light Up serum with this lotion, it's good, but you're not going to go white like I said. If you have dark knuckles, dark spot on your knee, your elbow, then apply the serum on those areas. You're gonna see effect, you're gonna see result. Okay, hope you find the video interesting. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, please. And if you've used Light Up, let me know how it worked for you. Did you like it? Was there any side effect? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video.